Hi, this is Amara Vida LLC, and I'm going to teach you how to create a business card using Google Slides. The first thing you need to do is go into your Google account. Go ahead and click on your waffle right here. These are your apps. And then you need to find Slides and go open it up. Then you're going to go ahead and go into blank. And what I did was I went to a Google search to find out how big a business card is. 3.5 by 2. So I go right back into my Google Slides. I'm going to go to File, go to Page Setup. I'm going to click on this and click Custom. And I'm going to type in 3.5 by 2. I'm going to verify that was correct. Go ahead and go on back, click Apply. Always save your stuff. It's going to automatically go into your drive. And then I'm going to get rid of these by highlighting them and clicking the delete button when they turn blue. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a background that I like, and then I went to remove BG, and then I put in the picture that I want. I download it. And then what I'm going to do is I can either put it as my background or I can add it in as an image. I'm going to go ahead and for purposes of this I'm going to show you how to put it in as a background. I'm going to click choose image, and then I'm going to take it and drag it right over, and this is what I just got off of the remove BG, and I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to go into my text box and I'm going to put my initials to my business. So this would be where you would put like your business logo. So for purposes of this, I'm just going to make it nice and big. And my look I'm going for is anything cursive. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the fonts. I like that one. I think that's actually the one that I use for my business. I'm going to move this around because I'm a little OCD like that. I like my lines to be nice and close around my letters. I'm going to make another one. And this is my business. I'm going to drag and make it fit. And then, of course, I'm going to make it nice and big. I'm going to change that font because it was really boring. I like that one. And then I'm going to drag it right over. I'm going to put in a text box so that I can put my contact info as well as my website, which I'm currently building. Then you just drag and drop it around. So if you already have a logo done, you would just put it right there. And you can go insert a picture that you already have by going there. And you can upload it from the computer, or you can search the web if you already have it, or if you have it saved in your drive, you can put it there as well. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. Add in my work phone. And then if I had like a YouTube, well, I have a YouTube channel, Amara Vida LLC as well. You can change the colors. I can actually change the background of that as well by going to the paint button. I can change it to gradient, which does not look good at all. And you can just play around with all the colors that you want. Anyways, there's a quick tutorial on how to create a business card using Google Slides. Let me know if you have any questions, like and follow.